Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today, y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, we're gonna be talking about the new Lisa Eldridge Liquid LUREX, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, eyeshadows. I have all 5 shades here. So we're gonna be swatching them so that you can see what they all look like on my translucent pale skin. We're gonna be creating this eye look. I have my Lisa Eldridge sweatshirt on. So I am ready to go. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so here we have them in direct sunlight. Oh my God. So from the top to the bottom, we have Bianca, Angelica, Lauren, Diana, and Liza. Look at that sparkle. And then here we have them in natural lighting. Oh my gosh, the sparkle. Oh, I love them. So I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go in with this Diana shade and I'm gonna add this to my outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna use all 5 of these, y'all. We're gonna see how it turns out. But this is the deepest of the lighter colors, and I wanna use this Liza shade as a liner. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it straight from the applicator and apply it to my eye. I have no primers, nothing on my eyelid right now. So that's like super blended out with my finger. I'm actually gonna take it and add a little bit more, and I'm gonna use this Sonia G Mini Booster to kind of blend it out. And of course, that worked like a dream too. Oh my gosh, okay. So I'm gonna leave that like that for right now, but I may go back and add a little bit more. So I have not used these at all yet, and so that was literally like my first impression, and oh my gosh, like it blended out so beautifully with my finger, it blended out so beautifully with my brush, and it was so easy. I mean, I spent a little bit more time on it, but it was so easy to blend out, and I mean, look at that sparkle already. I don't know how many times y'all are gonna hear me say that in this video, but oh my gosh, we're off to a good start. Okay, so I did the same thing on the other eye. It's not patchy. I have like a little bump on my eye right there. It works absolutely beautifully. So next we're gonna go into this Lauren shade, and we're gonna add that to the center of the lid and kind of blend it in to that Diana shade. And I'm actually gonna use this Sonia G Builder brush. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say, y'all. That's like a true gold shade. It performed just as beautifully as the Diana shade. The shimmer is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna add, oh, I'm blown away. I'm gonna add it to the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I added it to the other eye. So pretty. I can't even deal with this, y'all. So next I'm gonna go in with this Angelica shade, and I'm gonna add that to the remaining part of my lid. And I'm gonna use that same Sonia G Builder brush. I'm just gonna flip it over to the clean side. Oh my gosh, y'all. As you can see, I went in, I cleaned off that Sonia G Mini Booster because I actually added a little bit too much. So I wanted to kind of blend that out. And I mean, look at this stunningness. I don't even know if that's a word, but it is now. So I'm gonna add that shade to my other eye and I'll be back. Oh. Okay, so I did that on the other eye, added that Angelica shade. So now I'm actually, like I said earlier, I'm gonna go in with this Liza shade and I'm gonna use it as a liner. I'm gonna use this BK Beauty number 204 brush, and I'm gonna try to do this on camera for y'all, but I can't promise that it's gonna work out. So here we go. Okay, well that was a lot easier than I expected. Kind of took it and drug it out just a little bit to almost create like a very, very subtle wing. And it applied beautifully, of course. So I am going to go add that on this eye. I'm gonna do most of my face, and then I wanna come back and show y'all how I'm gonna use this Bianca shade. Okay, so I have everything on except for obviously my lip and mascara. But before I added that, I wanted to show y'all how I'm gonna use this Bianca shade. I'm gonna use it on the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna take that same BK Beauty number 204, and I'm just gonna pick some up directly off the applicator with that brush. That is so, so pretty. Just that beautiful kind of pinky, lavendery color just kind of brightened up that inner corner of my eye. So I'm gonna add it to this eye. I'm gonna add my mascara and my lip, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I added mascara, I added Lisa's Velvet Fawn lipstick. Y'all, final thoughts. I mean, if my reactions to when I was putting them on didn't speak for themselves, I am absolutely obsessed with these. I mean, I knew I was gonna be, but like, I didn't know I was gonna be quite this obsessed. The formula is so creamy and so pretty. The glitter is just such a sophisticated and classic type glitter. I don't even want to call it glitter, because when I hear glitter, I don't know how many times I'm gonna say glitter, but when I hear glitter, I think of like chunky glitter, but this is just like a very sophisticated sparkle. All of the shades applied so beautifully, so easily. They do set down, like Lisa said in her video, which I will link down below, where she's talking about these. They really do set down. They don't set down so quick that you don't have time to work with them, but they set down like just quick enough, and I could not be happier. Any one of these shades could be used as just a one and done shade, which is most likely what I'll be using them for on an everyday basis. These are the types of shadows that I personally reach for every day. You just literally swipe it on your lid, pat it in, and you're done. You're ready to go. And I couldn't be happier. I'm so glad that I got all of these shades. They're really, really beautiful, y'all. I don't even know like what I could compare them to. I'm thinking of the Giorgio Armani, the little, I'll pop a picture of them right here, the little liquid eyeshadows. I cannot think of the name for the life of me, but if you're watching my channel, you probably know what I'm talking about. But that's the only thing I can think of. But even so, I don't think that these are comparable to that. I honestly like these better because they could be sheared out, whereas I personally don't think that the Armani ones can be sheared out very much, and they don't set down quite as much as these, and they do not have that beautiful, beautiful sparkle, glitter, shimmer. I mean, I know the camera is not gonna be picking this up, but it's so beautiful, y'all. So I could go on and on, but I'm not going to, because just like her foundation and her lipsticks, y'all probably aren't gonna hear me shut up about these because I really, really love them. So let me know in the comment section down below if you picked any of these up. Do you love them as much as I do? And if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.